If you're thinking about buying the Ninja Crispi microwave, you might be wondering if it's actually worth your money or just another overhyped kitchen gadget. After looking at its features, here's what you need to know. The biggest selling point of the Ninja Crispi is convenience. It lets you cook, reheat and crisp food much faster than a traditional microwave. Foods like leftover pizza, fries and chicken tend to come out crispier instead of soggy. That's a huge advantage if you hate soft leftovers. Another thing people like is how easy it is to use. The controls are simple, and you don't need to spend much time learning how everything works. It also looks modern and doesn't take up too much space on the countertop. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The Ninja Crispi isn't the cheapest option. If you only use a microwave for basic reheating, you may not get enough value to justify the higher price. It can also be a little noisy while running, and larger meals may require cooking in batches depending on the model and container size. So, is it a scam? Not at all. It does what it promises by helping food stay crisp while heating it quickly. However, whether it's worth buying depends on your needs. If you regularly cook frozen snacks, reheat leftovers, or want better texture than a standard microwave can offer, the Ninja Crispi could be a great investment. On the other hand, if your current microwave already meets your needs, the upgrade may not be necessary.